Our chapter is Force, Work and Energy. Last class we have discussed about the new words. So we'll start the chapter first with the concept of force. What is force? See, for example, when a boy is helping a girl to swing on the swing. So what he will do? He will give a gentle push. So next picture, a man is pulling a cart. So when we are pushing or pulling anything, that is referred to as force. So a push or a pull on an object is called as force. Effects of force. There are 4 different effects are there. So first we'll start with the force can change the state of motion. See, for example, if an object is at rest, when you give a sudden kick, you can easily change the object from rest to motion. Or else, if an object is in a movement, you can bring the object to rest. So, a force can change the state of motion. See, in the first object, the ball is at rest. A boy just kicks the ball. So, the ball changes its position from rest to motion. Next picture, a goalkeeper catches the ball. So, from motion to rest. Force can change the speed of an object. See, when a batsman is hitting a ball thrown by a bowler, okay, so the ball, when he hits the ball with the help of his bat, the speed of the ball can be changed with the help of a force given by the batsman. So, force can change the speed of an object. Force can change the direction. See, for example, in a football ground, players are playing the football. That time what happened? When a few football players are kicking the ball, they can easily change the direction of the ball. So, a force can change the direction. Force can change the shape and size of an object. See, best example is, in our home, we usually prepare chapati, no? So, to prepare chapati, we need dough. So, after preparing dough, we'll give some forces to make it soft. And while rolling into a chapati also, we are changing the shape and size of the object. So, a force can change the shape and also size of an object. Muscular force. Say the force which is applied by humans or animals using parts of the body is called as muscular force. See, for example, we people will swim. Okay, so while swimming we are using our muscles to work. Same way when we are doing some exercises, that time also we are using our muscles in our body. The same way for animals, when they are carrying a loaded cart, they are using their muscles. So the force which is applied by humans or animals by using parts of their body, that is referred to as muscular force. Mechanical force. The force applied by the machines and tools to do any work is known as mechanical force. See, for example, washing machine. When you just you have to turn on the water supply and then you have to throw the soiled cloths into the machine. And then after 1 hour or half an hour, it will give you the washed cloths. So, the work is done by the machine. So, we are just giving the force to do the machine, to do the work which is easily done by a machine. So, the force which is applied by machines and tools to do any work is known as mechanical force. Example, washing machine, sewing machine. Say, sewing machine is nothing but tailors are using a machine to sew our clothes. That is sewing machine. Magnetic force. See, the force in which a magnet can attract certain things which is made up of iron, cobalt or nickel, that is referred to as magnetic force. See, magnetic force does not require any physical contact between them. Without any contact, it can easily attract the things which is made up of iron, cobalt or nickel. Gravitational force. Force that exists between any two bodies, that is referred to as gravitational force. This force occurs between two bodies due to their masses. Frictional force. The force of friction always acts on all moving objects. This is due to contact between two surfaces. But the force of friction is always in the opposite direction of motion. Answer the following. Write the effects of force. What is muscular force? What is mechanical force? What is magnetic force? What is frictional force? Refer chapter 5, Force, Work and Energy, page number 54 and 55.